Now guys, what's happening? How to reset suggested content on Instagram. So go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right. Click the three bars at the top right. Scroll a little bit down to find the content preferences or suggested content right here. You're gonna see it. Go ahead and click the content preferences, and the last option you're gonna see reset suggested content. Press and then hit next, and then hit reset suggested content. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.